السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. اللهم صل وسلم وبارك على سيدنا محمد. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Today at this date, 8th of September, inshallah 2020, we are going to introduce the chemistry subject for grade 7, starting with chapter 2, lesson 1. Inshallah, bidnillah, I'll be your chemistry teacher. My name is Iqbal Hassan for this year, bidnillah ta'ala. Let's go on start. Okay, our lesson is the particulate nature of matter. All of all of us, we know what is matter since we started studying about science subject from your grade 3 or whatever. So, but now here in your grade 7, you're going just to take it a little bit extended, more information with it. So, chemistry is a branch of the science. In fact, the science is divided into 3 branches: chemistry, biology, and physics. So chemistry is the part of the science subject which is really concerned with with matter. So chemistry is about that matter is like and how it behaves, and our explanation and predictions of its behavior. Matter, how do we define it? This is the definition of matter. Matter is anything which occupies space and has mass. Matter covers all substances and materials from which the universe is composed. We are going to discuss about solid. How many points? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points about the solid. So each we are going to talk about each one separately, and then we do some comparison between all 3 states. The first point we're going to discuss about solid is a solid has a definite volume and shape which may be affected by changes in temperature. In solid, there are attractive forces between the particles which hold them close together. In solid, particles only vibrate about fixed positions. Solids have regular structure, which explain why many solids form crystals. Solids are not compressible. Solids normally have high density. Okay, this is the arrangement of particles in solid. See how they are, they arrange, in a regular shape. They arrange in a regular shape, and the distance in between the particles, very small distance. And this is the attraction force in between the particles, and the attraction force is very strong. That's why the particles are kept tightly, they don't move, only they vibrate about a fixed position. Particles only vibrate about fixed position, regular. We call it regular structure, and we call it also a lattice. Okay, let's talk about liquid now. Liquid has definite volume but not definite shape. Its shape depends on the container. Of course, if you have for example, like a juice or whatever in a cup, okay, cup look like a rectangular shape, and then you just pour the same liquid or this water in another container, let's say like the shape of triangular. Okay, it's definitely the volume will never change. If I'll take a 500 ml, there will be the same 500 ml if I'll just change the container, but the shape will change because the first container was having a rectangular shape, and the second container has like the triangular shape, so it's going to be triangular shape in the other container. So the shape is not definite, is not constant. It will change due to the changing of the container. Second point, the forces of attraction between the particles in liquid are weaker than those in solid. In a liquid, particles have some freedom and can move randomly around each other, and they collide often. Particles in the liquid form of a substance have more energy than the particles in solid form of the same substance. Liquids are difficult to compress. Liquids have medium density. This is how the arrangement of particles in liquids. So this is how the particles are really far from each other. They are not in the regular shape. They have, they can move or slide over each other, and the attraction force between of them weaker. That's why they have the ability just to roam and slide over each other. So particles have some freedom and can move around each other, collide often. This is the arrangement of particles in liquid. Inshallah, bidnillah, tomorrow we're going to continue. The next lesson we're going to continue about gases and explain about gas. Then we'll take the comparison between all three states. We came to the end of the lesson now. Take this is your homework. Thank you for listening. See you next